Hey, what is up, guys? We're Shaka here, and I'm doing a video. Kind of bored, so this is how to make an airsoft pin. So all you'll need, really simple, ink, and a BB, and then see this. You would put it in like this backwards. And so, like, this part right here, look, it moves. And after that, you're done. And you also need to remove this so like a BB can actually come out. So here's a test shooting, so y'all can see. And I don't know if y'all can see that. Let me try to move the camera. Okay. That should be better. And look, here is a test firing. And it's pretty good. It's not strong, but you know, it's okay. So, thanks for watching, guys. And peace.